Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x8000ffff on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to scan the system for a malware infection. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now, click on Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan options. Select Full Scan and then finally click on Scan Now. The next solution is to set the correct date and time. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. And go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Date and Time. Turn the first switch on for set time automatically and the second switch on for set time zone automatically, and then click on Sync Now. And the last solution is to finally download the updates manually. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Okay. Scroll down and click on catalog.update.microsoft.com. Type the latest month, like in my case, it's May 2024, so I'll type 05//2024 and hit enter. Basically, we have to type it in the MM/YYYY format. And if you are at, earlier in a month, then simply use the previous month. Now, click on download corresponding to the latest version and click on this MSU file here and then finally click on open to install the latest update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.